Hi guys, I wanted to share a quick note with you. I started a Patreon page where you can find tips and tricks for this video and a lot of other material as well. The channel is growing and I hope you can join me there. Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. This is not a terribly difficult etude. I think it can be learned in just one day of practice. Pay attention to crossing the strings, maneuvering between the strings. Of course, first position, second position, third position, mostly here. Just pay attention to the 2-slurred and 3-slurred variations because they change and that will kind of throw you off. Also pay attention to the accents. Composers putting on sometimes tricky beats. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.